We read about them online, in the magazines, and your mom swears by them. But some breakout myths are just that, myths. Tanning helps clear up acne? False. The sun can make acne temporarily look better, but the UV rays ultimately dry the skin and can make the skin condition worse. Use a sensitive skin facial sunscreen that won't clog pores if you want to enjoy the sun. Acne occurs because your face is dirty? Incorrect. Acne is caused by pores clogged by naturally produced oils, dead skin cells, and bacteria. When you wash your face too often, it actually signals to the skin that it needs to produce more oil. Don't overwash your face. Twice a day is good, and use a gentle cleanser. Moisturizers lead to more acne? False. But for oily skin, it's important to use the correct moisturizer. The best option to keep oily skin balanced is to try an oil-free moisturizer that won't clog pores as part of your daily routine.